Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my dining room. It is kind of a dreary day outside, but I'm excited because I have something fun to share with you. So welcome to my dining room. Well, it may be a dreary and cold winter day out, but I am excited for a couple of reasons. First of all, my orchid is blooming and I'm excited to see how many blooms are on it, so that's pretty fun. And February is an exciting time in my Jordan Essentials world because the company just turned 22 years old. At the end of January, I celebrated my 18th year with the company, and we came out with our new spring and summer catalog, and this little box of goodies is a collection of some of the new products that just came out. So let's take a look. First of all, I have a collection of catalogs. So our new Jordan Essentials Spring Summer catalog looks like this. It's a nice little compact size. It's full of all kinds of goodies. I can put a link below in the description that'll have a digital catalog. So if you want to flip through and see some of the amazing products, everything's made in Nixa, Missouri, and it's a wonderful company with lots of non-toxic, botanically based products, which is why I've been around so long and I continue to love it. So in the spring and summer catalog, we have a new scent, and I believe I have a couple of things in the new scent. So we kept all of our scents from the old catalog and brought this new spring scent in. So this scent is called Joy, and the scent is a blend of essential and fragrance oils, and it has pink grapefruit, lemon, orange, and bergamot. So it's a really fun, I've actually already opened this lotion bar. This is one of our signature lotion bars. It's just a really fresh, citrusy, bright and uplifting scent. And if you haven't seen a lotion bar, it's just a solid bar of lotion made out of beeswax and some other healthy oils like sweet almond oil and safflower oil, vitamin E, all kinds of good things. So you just hold it in your hand for a few seconds and it'll start to soften up because beeswax melts at our body temperature, and then you can work that lotion in. And I love the lotion bars because they help to protect my skin, especially in this dry winter air. So we have our new scent, Joy, and the lotion bar that is in that scent. And then this is our Shea body butter, which is a product we've had for a long time. And again, I love these. They're extra emollient, but having it in that new, that fresh citrus scent is awesome. I wish you could smell it. So lots of goodies in that scent are available. We've also added a new shampoo to our line. So I actually use just our conditioner because it works so well. I don't need the shampoo. I have naturally curly hair, which is usually on the dry side. But my husband uses our shampoo and loves it. Well, we now have our shampoo with tea tree essential oil added. So this is awesome because it helps with having a healthy scalp, and it's also great for kids because it helps deter lice. So this is a really cool thing to have in our catalog now, is our tea tree essential oil shampoo. And next, I'm really excited about this. It's a small product, but what you can't read is that it is a tinted lip butter. So we have a really nice collection of our lip butters, which have shea butter in them and some extra emollient ingredients. Now we have it tinted with our Plum Fun lip color. So I'm actually gonna put a little bit on so you can see, even though it looks pretty dark, it's just a nice light kind of berry color and helps to moisturize my lips. So I'm really excited to have that. I actually got a couple so I can have, one in my purse, one that stays in my pocket, one that stays in the desk drawer, all the places that I might possibly need a lip balm. And then next, for my pet lovers out there, we came out with a new pet soothing stick. So this is that same beeswax base like our lotion bar, but it's in this giant lip balm form. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up so you can see what it looks like. So you just take the cap off and you can roll that up a little bit. This is a nice light scent of lavender and frankincense essential oils. And the nice thing about this is you can rub it into your fingertips and then kind of work it onto your pet's ears or their paws. And you've got a nice pet-friendly soothing stick for them. Or if they have any dry skin, you could work this into those areas of dry skin as well. So we've added that pet soothing stick to our pet line. We actually have a couple of other great products for your pet as well. I'm gonna pull 3 little things out here. And these are a couple of little collections, which are really fun, and I'm excited that we have these in our line now. So what these are is a little gift bag that's all ready to go. So it comes with a little card in there that tells you what it is. It is a set that has our toner mist, and we have 3 options on the scent, and then some sheet masks. So these little discs, you can take them out, pop them in water. You just pop one in water, and when it opens up, it becomes a very thin paper sheet mask, and then you can spritz the toner mist on that sheet mask and just lay it on your face and sit back and relax and enjoy the aromatherapy and the benefits of the toner. You could do it, drop your face mask in cold water if you want the cryotherapy benefits, and that'll help tighten up your pores. Or if you want to just have a really relaxing and calming experience, you could do it in warm water and have a nice warm face mask. So we have it in 3 scents. We have Peace Essential Oil Blend, which is in our catalog. There is also Frankincense and Orange Essential Oil Blend, and a Cucumber. So those are 3 awesome scents. These are great little gifts you can give to someone. That'd be perfect for a busy mom, for a girlfriend, for a wife, mother, sister, friend, anybody that needs a little TLC and pampering. So I'm excited about those little sets with the sheet mask and the toner mist. Next, you may have noticed that I have a candle going back there just to help add a little cozy atmosphere in this dreary day. And I'm using our new Fresh Air candle. So this is a fresh linen fragrance, and it's such a light, fresh scent. I really like it. It does a nice job of filling the room, but it's not overpowering. I'm someone that can be sensitive to fragrances if they're too strong. So when I'm at the store, if I start smelling a bunch of the candles, usually it gives me a headache. So I really like our products, and especially our candles. They're made with a non-GMO soy wax base and an organic cotton wick. And the fragrances are mild and light, but they still have a really nice aroma. So I'm excited about this Fresh Air candle. This will be something I definitely keep here going at the house, and I may bring one to work as well. I have 2 things left. So we have this cute little tote, and what I actually added was our customer special keychain that came out in January. So this part is added by me. I just clipped that on there. But the cute little tote bag here is going to be great for gifting or just for a little bag to throw in your purse and keep your Jordan Essentials supplies on hand. And it comes filled with our Vanilla Pear Hand and Body Lotion in a little travel tube. So you've got this, you just take it out and you can pump a little bit into your hand and you're ready to go. And you would be so surprised on how long these things last. I keep one in my purse and they usually last me about a year. It also comes with our cranberry lip butter. So this is another one of our great little lip balms that comes in a tube, and you're gonna get that in there. And there's one other item in here. And we also get our resistance spray. So this is really good because it's a blend of essential oils that helps to kill all the germs, kill all the funk. And so you can spray this on your hands if you're out and about. Like when I go grocery shopping, I spray it on my hands and on the handle of the cart as I'm going into the store. And then when I get back to my car, I spray my hands again just to help keep me from picking up stuff when I'm out and about. So this little travel size is perfect because you can have your whole little bag of goodies right here that has all your Jordan Essentials essential items that you drop into your purse. And what a cute little bag it is. So I'm really excited about that. And then the final thing in our spring collection for the month of February is the host special. And so each month, if you partner with your Jordy, whether it's me or someone else, and you have a party, then you can earn some things free and discounted, and this is one of them. This is our host special for February 2022. So you get this cute bag. It says the Essentials, Healthy Skin, Healthy Life, Jordan Essentials. And it has the fun little metallic rose gold trim on the bottom, and it's gonna come with a 2-ounce moisturizing shampoo and our 2-ounce conditioner. So this is ready to go for traveling. These are airport friendly because they're 2 ounces each. And then you have the cute little bag. You can throw a few other of your essentials in there and you're good to go. And if you have a $500 party, you would get this for free. So that's a really awesome host special. So that is everything I got in my collection of the new spring products from Jordan Essentials. I'll leave my website linked down below in the description of this video. So if you're interested in checking things out, you can click over there. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.